Hello again, and this is Mr. Delicious. And let's now proceed to question number 11 for Mathematics Grade 10 tutorial and coaching for the national examination this coming October. We are still using on paper 2010, the past exam paper 2010. Alright, so we have already done question number 10, and now let's proceed to question number 11. Alright, so be ready. Let's have now, what is the question number 11 in paper 2010, Mathematics Grade 10, 2010. Okay, are you excited and are you ready for the question? Alright, so let's have here. Question number 11. This is on a linear function or linear equation. And the question is, what is the gradient of the line passing through the points? The first point has the coordinates of 3, the x coordinate of 3, and the y coordinate is -4. And then passing to another point, the x coordinate is 5 and the y coordinate is 8. What is gradient again? So we have gradient or also known as slope has a symbol small letter m. Okay, this is the symbol for gradient or slope, small letter m. The gradient, now this, let us illustrate this one. When it comes to this kind of question, all you need to do is draw a line. Okay, so you draw a line, regardless of how the line is sloping. Is it sloping to the right or sloping to the left? Okay, what is important is you draw a line. After drawing a line, you will notice that this line passes through 2 points. And these points are not being named. Okay? These points are, the first point has these coordinates, and the second point has this coordinate as well. So assuming, let us name this one. Assuming that we have point A, and this point A has coordinate, the first one, +3, x coordinate is +3, y coordinate is -4. And then the second point, okay, has coordinates 5 and 8. Now we have to do it this way so that you will understand what's going on with the problem and it's easy for you to work it out. So assuming that this is point A, which is this point is on the line. The second point here, assuming, is point B, and that second point is also on the line. So meaning to say, these points A and B will definitely have the same gradient or the same slope, which is small letter m. Okay, so this point M as coordinate, x coordinate is 3, y coordinate is -4, and this point B on the same line has a coordinate x is 5, y coordinate is 8. Okay, so you might be noticing that, oh, you are repeating. It's okay, because mathematics, you have to really do it carefully and consistently, so that you will definitely secure a correct answer and that will not waste your time in the national exam. Okay, so now because of this, points A and B, that means that given these 2 points here on the same line, you are going to use this formula. Now you will have to memorize this formula. Gradient. Okay, this is the formula of finding the gradient of this line, of this straight line, given 2 points. And what are these? We have what is this formula? Y sub 2 minus y sub 1 divided by x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Take note that when you use this formula, finding the gradient or the slope of a straight line given the 2 points, the numerator are for y coordinates. Y sub 2 first minus y sub 1, and then the denominator x sub 2 first minus x sub 1. So that means that it should be like this. You don't interchange it. You don't mix it up. Okay, y sub 2 on top, x sub 2 underneath, minus y sub 1, and then x sub 1. Okay, now you cannot, you will decide also which of these 2 points, A and B, would be our y sub 2 and y sub 1. So you can say this one is, this A could be for the first one, and then this B would be the second one. Or you can interchange it, you will still come up with the same answer. Okay, so let's now have, this is A, is y sub 2. Let's substitute the y coordinate of point A. So assuming that this one is point A and this one is point B. The y coordinate of point A is negative 4. So this is negative 4 over, negative 4, okay, minus the y coordinate of point B is 8. Okay, that's 8. All over, next, the x sub 2, the x sub 2, the x coordinate of A is positive 3 minus, okay, minus the x coordinate of point B is 5. Okay, so here we have now this answer, negative 4, this is now the gradient, negative 4 minus 8 is equal to, so the gradient here, negative 12. You understand it, why it is negative 12? Negative 4 minus 8 equals negative 12. Negative 4 minus 8 is negative 12. When you are subtracting integers, you are going to change the sign of the second number, and then the operation becomes addition. So that means that negative 4 plus negative 8 equals negative 12. Divided by 3 minus 5 is negative 2. Therefore, the gradient is negative divided by negative is positive. 12 divided by 6 is positive 6, or simply 6. And that is now the value of our gradient or the slope for this given question number 11. So, which do you think, okay, which do you think is the option for question number 11 in finding the gradient of the line given the 2 points? A, B, C, D, and E. Which one has a positive 6? And that is letter D. So in this question number 11, letter D is the correct answer. You are not going to play around with the options. You really have to work it out so that you will you will secure and you will get the correct answer before looking at the options. Okay? I hope that is clear now. This is question number 11 on the topic linear function using finding the gradient given the 2 points. Finding the gradient of the line given the 2 points. What is the formula of finding the gradient given the 2 points again? M equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 divided by x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Okay? And I hope that is clear to you now. I wish you all the best. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Mr. Delicious, the traveling tutor and coach. And also Please tell the other grade 10 students to watch all my video tutorials so that they will be guided as well. I hope that this tutorial of mine will help you in the preparation for the national exam. Okay? Bye for now, and we will have question number 12 very soon. Bye.